Hi everyone, welcome to Mika's tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach the exercise questions of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. I have already taught some topics of this chapter. If you have not watched, please watch it. Link is given in the description box. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it. Now let's go inside the video. Let's now see the exercise question of trigonometric to the complementary angles. That is exercise 8.3. What is the first question we are going inside? Evaluate cos 48 minus sin 42. See, just seeing the question, first what you have to do is, we have to try to convert both of this in any one form. Either you can convert the cos into sin or you can convert the sin into cos. So, we first in this case we will try to convert this cos angle into the sin angle so that we can either subtract or we can multiply or we can add. To do this subtraction, multiplication or addition, we have to consider that this sin and cos in any one term. So, let's change this cos in terms of sin. So, to change that, we have the complementary angle formula. What? We can change the sin into cos or cos into sin. Now, we will try to change this cos into sin. For that, we will use this cos 90 minus a. Like this we should use. See, cos something is there. Now, you convert this 48 in terms of sum. What is that? Cos 90 minus 42. This is 48. No, we need 48. What we will subtract from 90, you will get this 48. That is 42. Over. Now write the rest. Sin 42. Now cos 90 minus theta. Now you think this is as theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. You know that. Okay. Then write sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. Now you can subtract, both are equal. Sin 42 minus sin 42 is, you will get it as 0. See, very easy question. Change cos in terms of sin or change sin in terms of cos. If we will do that one, we can add or subtract. So we have changed this cos in terms of sin. By how? Because we need 48. In 90, what we will subtract, we will get 48. We will subtract 42 means we will get 48. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So theta value is 42. So you will get sin 42 minus, already we have one sin 42. So the answer will be 0. Now let us go inside the next question. Our next question is that, show that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equal to 1. So this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Take any one part and conclude it into the second one. So we'll take this LHS side, left hand side. What is that? Tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. So, first what we have to think? We have to think that we have to convert it into the other form. See, if 2 are there in tan, other 2 are there in cot. So, you will convert the rest 2 tan into cot. So that we will have all the form in cot or tan. But in this question, all are in tan. So, what to do? Either we have to subtract or cancel. We have to try that all the complication, all the substitution method, we have to try it. Either we can minus it. No, we cannot do here. It is all are there in multiplication. So either we can cancel it, we can divide. No, because this is 42, this is 48, this is 23, this is 67. So in this type of question, we have to make these values, this 23, 48, 42, 67 into the same numbers. For that, what we can do? to make this 48 in terms of 23, 42 or 67 in any one term. How we can do? We can write this 48 how? Tan 90 minus 42. What you will get? Tan 90 minus 42, what you will get? 90 minus 42 is 48. Yes, no. So, now you see, you have converted this 90 minus 42. So, if we will solve this, what you will get? Tan 42 we will get. Yes or no? So, we have to think in that way. Same way 23 you can change in form of 42 or 67. How? Tan 90 minus 67 is what? 23. Yes or no? Yes, no. 90 minus 67 is 23. So, if we will tan 90 minus theta is tan theta. So, if we will cot theta, we have to convert it like that. So, rest all we can write as tan 42, tan 67. Okay. Now, you have tried to convert these values in the same form so that you will get 42 here. So, here also we will get 42. But it can be 42 with cot, sin, cos or any other values. We need only the values should be same. So, tan 90 minus 42 you can convert using the complementary angles. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So, tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42. Same way, tan 90 minus 67 is cot 67. Rest all you can write same way, tan 42 and tan 67. Now, we have same values. Yes, we have same values. But, it isn't cot, it isn't tan. So, we have one method in that way. Cot 42, we can write it as 1 by tan. Yes or no? I said no. Cot is inversely proportional to tan. Same way sin is inversely proportional to cosec. Cos is inversely proportional to secant. So, cot 67 we can write 1 by tan 67. Now, write all other tan 42 and tan 67. Okay. 1 by tan 42, these all are there in multiplication. So, 1 by tan 42 and tan 42, we can cancel it. 1 by tan 67 and tan 67, we can cancel it. So, at last, you will have 1. Now, see, this is LHS, you got 1. And RHS, what you have? RH is also 1. So, we have hence proved. See, simple way. All are there in tan. So, you cannot cancel also. So, convert any one of the values in form of cot so that you can cancel it. So, if we will write tan 48 like tan 90 minus 42, so you will write cot 42. So, cot 42 you can write as 1 by tan 42. So, 1 by tan 42 into tan 42. You can cancel it. So, you should think in that way. All the questions will be tricky only. Simple thinking will make that question very easy. So, let us go into the next question. See, this is the next fourth question in the exercise. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, they have said you to prove this A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, what they have given? They have given tan A is equal to cot B. Okay, now see, this is equal sign. This equal sign means if both are equal, then we can compare their theta values. For that, you have to change this tan in terms of cot. So, if you will change, you should get the value cot A is equal to cot B. So, at that point, both the sides cot is there. We can compare their theta values. That means A and B we can compare. Here you see tan A is equal to cot B. Both are different. We cannot compare it. For that, we will convert this tan A in terms of cot. How? Tan A is equal to cot B. It is given. Now, you will convert it as cot 90 minus A. Think in this way. Cot 90 minus A. Now open this, what you will get? Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus A is tan A. So tan A you should write in this way. Then only you can compare both the LHS and RHS side, because both are in terms of cot. See, now you change this tan in terms of cot. Now you can compare this both the side. What you will get? Cot theta is equal to cot alpha. So this theta and alpha will be same. Means 90 minus A is equal to B. How you got this? Because cot theta is equal to cot theta. So this theta should be equal, no? Then only this cot theta and cot theta we can match it. So 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 is equal to, this minus A will go this side, means plus A. A plus B. What you got? A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Very simple question this one. Just take tan A and cot B. Convert this tan in terms of cot, because then only we can compare it. So this tan A, compare it in with the cot, we can change it as cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Now cot A and cot B are equal. So write 90 minus A is equal to B. Same way A plus B is equal to 90 degree. See, this is the last question of the exercise. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. See, this is a very important question in terms of board, and this question does not have a particular type of solving this. This have only one type to solve this. How is it? I'll just say it. You have to remember this question how to solve. You have to remember each and every tricks which I'll say now. See, it is given that A, B, C are interior angles. So, for a triangle, you can see that for interior angles of a triangle, I'll show it for an example. This is a triangle, you think. A, B, C. This is the three sides of a triangle. All the three angles of this triangle will be equal to 180 degree. As a triangle law, you should remember this, you should know this, that all the three sides of an angle, if we will sum it, we should get within 180 degree. So, A, B, C, all this subtract means we should get within 180 degree. So, keeping this in mind, you should write an equation, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, considering the interior angles of a triangle. So, considering this, you should have B plus C. We have to take this, show that. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So, we have to show this, cos B plus C is equal to 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. We have to conclude this. We have to bring this. How will bring from this equation? That I'll say you. If we will add A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, we can get it. So, from here you take B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Take this. So, now you divide this by 2. Divide both the LHS and RHS by 2. What you will get? B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Now this 180, what you will get? B plus C by 2, right as it is. 180 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2. Now we have to multiply both the LHS and RHS by sine theta. Why I took sine, you know? Because in LHS we require sine. Okay. In RHS we required cos. And that time also I will multiply with sine only. Why? Because sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta. You remember what I am saying? You need B plus C and here you need A. So that's why I took this A this side. Then you need 2 in the division. So I have divided by 2. Now you got the final B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. In this case, you have to multiply in both the side the sign. Because, see, multiply by sign, you will get sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus a by 2. So, sin 90 minus a by 2, you will get cos a by 2. And this will be same as sin b plus c by 2. And this is cos a by 2. Why? Because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now, you have found the answer what you need. I'll repeat it. In this question, this is a very unique question. Take the three angles of a triangle, that is a plus b plus c, all will be equal to 180 degree. Now take the this right hand side, because you need b plus c in the left hand side and a in the right hand side. Then divide by 2, then multiply by sin theta. You will get the required answer. We came to the end of the video. So I'll be teaching the next topic in part 7 video. So if you like this video, please like and share. And if you want more video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.